Today you are going to be making words that end in a double consonant. You'll make the words, write 10 words, and then you'll read the words. You'll use these letter cards more than once. I'm going to start with this letter P, this letter A, and put those together, and then S, S. SS is the double consonant, and I have built the word pass. Okay. I made the word, I said the word, and then your job is to write this word. I'm going to break apart this word, and I'm going to try it just one more. I'm going to build the word thrill. And I'm going to bring these letters together. T-H-R-I. And then this double consonant L, L. Okay. Now I have built the word thrill. And I'm going to write this word, and then I'm going to continue using all of the word cards you see here to build words with the double consonant.